Hello people of YouTube. I got this idea a minute ago to build my own bass knob for my computer. Well, not my computer, but my computer speakers. And we're gonna move the camera of my light. You probably ain't gonna be able to see it very well, so I'll flick up my other movie camera. It doesn't have a dead battery. As my camera kick was my computer turns on. Alright. See as you can see there's my face of my computer. There's the optical drive and then there's the empty bay. Then I decided to do something Steve Meadish. And since I was finding a place to stick a sub level thingy anyways that I built myself, let me scoot this cord out of the way. I said, well, why not? So now if you look in there, hold it open with my toe and flip the cord around the computer. As you can see, there's a knob in there. It's a thermal take fan speed thing. PCI. Well, it just sits down in there perfectly. It stays level 100%. As you can see there's you can't see it, but there's a minimum and maximum. I thought it was pretty cool. But yeah, I'll have it working tomorrow. Oh. As I broke the screen of my camera, not. But yeah, it was just an idea. Let's get out back in the light here. Come on, you stupid camera. There's the line that connects. And that's pretty much it.